How about that? An Isuzu Rodeo 4x4. Isuzu's been off U.S. soil now for well over a decade. This is one of their last homemade. They made some that were rebranded Chevrolets, GM products. This one here was one of their last in-house designs. The Isuzu Ombre being a rebadged S10. Now, this is a 2001 model, so this is getting towards the end. And this one actually doesn't have any body damage on it. It's pretty decent shape. V6. Of course, I would have preferred a 4-cylinder if I were going to get one, but it is 4-wheel drive. Looks like automatic locking front hubs, which is kind of cool. They weren't big sellers. This was their most popular car. And kind of an interesting side note in history is the first Isuzu Rodeos are what were actually the first Honda Pilots. Honda didn't have a minivan or an SUV, so they used the Isuzu Oasis and the Isuzu Rodeo. The Oasis being rebranded into the Odyssey, and the Rodeo being rebranded into the Pilot. So pretty cool little piece of automotive history. And of course, by the time the second generation came out, Honda had their own. Honda's rebranded or rebadged Isuzus actually sold a lot better than the Isuzus themselves. But this car is not rusty, and it didn't get hit, so it makes me wonder what killed it. And it was brought in 12/20/22, so it's been here quite a while. Pretty nice. Had a hitch, had a roof rack. Not a bad little car. 4-wheel drive. Anyway, that's probably the only Isuzu that's going to be in this lot, so I figured I'd show it off to you. Till next time, my friends, take care.